Okay. So what we are doing is that we are doing exactly the same thing than VMware. VMware is doing virtualization of the servers. DataCore is doing virtualization of the storage. Okay. This is funny because this company has been created in the same time than VMware in 1998. So all the slides that I'm going to provide you, this is not marketing bullshit, all the things that you can hear. This is the reality, and this is something with a 19-year-old company. Why we are so infamous? This is not only, of course, in Slovenia, because we are an independent company. We have decided since the beginning to stay alone. So this is a company which is owned by the two, I would say, creators of the company. But what is the most important from your side is that you understand that this software company is delivering a software-defined storage solution, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. And the most important point is that this company is used today by more than 10,000 customers in the world. That represents something like 30,000 production in site. So once again, this is the biggest leader in the software-defined storage of the world. Especially here in Europe, we have more than, I would say, 5,000 customers using the product. So we start the business in 2000. So we have a lot of reference, and this is once again reality. So here is the vision of the company. So if you are familiar with software-defined storage, this is exactly what our CEO was sharing with the people at the last century. And as you can see, this is exactly the definition of the software-defined storage. Software-defined storage, what it is, this is a solution which is managed differently the software side and the hardware side. That means that in our world, we need to differentiate the technology. So as you know, each storage vendor, they have their own product. It was very challenging for me when I started with that company in 2000 to explain to my kids, what I was doing. And I took some simple word. I told them that, hey, I am working in a market where there is a lot of players, IBM, EMC, NetApp, Dell, etc. And all of these suppliers, they are speaking their own language. IBM, they are speaking French. HDS, they are speaking Japanese. Dell, they are speaking Slovenian, etc. We are speaking English. That means with our product, we are able to communicate with any storage vendor. And this is quite critical, especially when we are looking about the data center. Most of the times you need to do some choice, and you need to be linked with a storage vendor. And this is, of course, one of the promises of the software-defined storage. The second point is that today we need to take separation of the advantage of an hardware component and of a software component. As you can see on my head, I have some gray hair. And from my side, I know the hardware technology on the storage managed by only big two companies in the world. These two companies, this is Western Digital and Seagate. 90% of the disk that you are using today is delivered by these two companies, okay? In the same times, especially right now in 2017, you have some new players coming in the market. You are talking about flash disk. You are hearing a lot of new players in that one. And one of the problems that you have is how I'm going to combine my old storage with my new storage, okay? Separate the advance of the software side and the hardware side. This is absolutely, something important for you.